Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Deb and I hope all of you are doing well. So a few days back we did the unboxing of the HP gaming mouse M260 and today we'll be doing the full review of that. But before, let us have a good look at it.
Generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now.
So I hope you guys did have a good look at it. So after the disaster, that was the Lenovo Legion M200 mouse. I hope you remember that video. If not, I'll put the link of that somewhere. Do check it out. So after that, I was in search of a good budget mouse which does not have the cons of the latter, and I seem to have found something in the HP M200 mouse. First, let me tell you a few things about this mouse. This was first launched in January 2020. The price of this is right now 589 on Amazon, but initially this was 300 to 400. In the last 1 year, the prices of the hardware have gone up. I'm sure you guys have seen because of the unavailability of hardware parts and all. I'll make a separate video about that. So coming back to this, this is RGB backlighting. This has 6 buttons. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and the side 2 forward and back buttons. This has 6-speed DPI customizable from 800 DPI to 6400 DPI. This has a high-end optical engine for precise positioning. The button life of this left and right are up to 5 million clicks, so that is quite high. The compatibility of this is Windows XP, Windows 7, 8 and Windows 10, and hopefully also it will be compatible with the upcoming Windows 11. The weight of this mouse is 99 grams, which is, I would say, which is perfect, which is very good for gaming and browsing, etc. I don't have any idea about the sensors in it though, because it just says professional sensors on the website, and I could not find anything about the sensor anywhere. Now let's have a look at the pros. This is perfect for small and medium handed people. As you can see, the grip is very nice. It's quite nice. The weight of this is quite less, which translates well to gameplay or basic tasks. So yeah, that's one USP. This is good for palm grip as well as claw grip. The palm, this is the palm and this is the claw. Different people have different preferences, so I use a hybrid grip and it serves me well. So coming to the RGB of this thing is sweet. This is very nice. It is very bright. When you change the DPI of this, that is shown by the RGB. The color changes to specific colors. Let me show you. As we say, the first is red, second is a little bit of blue, the third is it turns green, fourth is violet. I don't think it is very clearly visible, but yeah, let me cycle through that again. This is blue, this is red. So you get the idea. As you change the DPI, it blinks in a particular color in the beginning, so that is something good to have. Also, coming to the design of this one, the design of this mouse is a copy of the Logitech G102, which is also known as the G203 internationally. If you look at it, this is an exact copy of this. The form, the size, everything. The only difference is the light strip here, which is a little bit higher on the Logitech mouse, and the positioning of these buttons, which is also different in that mouse. But I would say this is a good thing for us customers, as we can get a good design in 1/3 of the price. The Logitech costs around 1,600 right now, and this you can get for around 500, 550. So why reinvent the wheel when it works, right? So coming to this scroll wheel, this is textured. This is a textured non-slip rubber finish on the scroll wheel, which gives a good grip, and as you can see, that does not require too much effort while scrolling. If you remember the Lenovo that did not have any grip, and I really disliked that. In today's gaming mouse, the grip is very important. Now we come to the things that I do not like about this. The wire of this is not braided. This is a simple plastic cable. So yeah, I personally do not have any problems with this, but some people might have a problem with this, because even 400 rupees mouse these days come with a braided cable. I have the Zebronics mouse here. This costs 400, around 400, but as you can see, this has a very well braided cable. So yeah, also this does not have any magnetic EMI suppressor, which these days also the even the 400 rupees mouse has. But yeah, I'm not sure even if that actually works. It is there, it's something which is listed, and yeah, maybe it's good to have. I'm not sure. For me personally, it's all right, because personally I think the braided cable, the threads of that come out after a few days of the use, and the braided cable also collect dust, while the plastic ones are very easy to clean. So the next thing is I told you that I like the RGB very well, but the RGB transition of this is not very smooth. Let me show you. So if you can see, the transition is not very smooth. It's kind of jerky. So yeah, it feels a bit awkward. The smoothness would have been a good thing to have. Another thing which I would not say it's a con, but which I did not like is the buttons of this are not programmable. I mention this here because in the website it says that all the 6 buttons are programmable, but I did not find anything about that anywhere, even in their websites. So if any of you know how to do it, please mention it in the comments. So coming to the next point, I'd show you the side buttons of that. These are kind of mushy. These are not clicky at all. So that is one problem. I feel the more clicky the buttons, the better it is. But yeah, these are a bit of a mushy. And one thing that I noticed while gaming or browsing is that if you lift the mouse, sometimes what we do is while playing we lift it. We lift it to change the position of that if you're at the edge of that. So I saw that when I do that, the cursor jerks to some random position. So that might be a problem for some while in the gaming session. So yeah, that's that. So that's it, guys. Those are my thoughts about this mouse. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section. I hope you liked this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, check out one of our latest videos here. Bye and take care.